Hey, today we're going to install a Sirimoto subframe bracket on the rear of a 10th gen Civic. So we're going to start by removing this bolt right here, 10 millimeter. I'm going to loosen that and remove this. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now you're going to want to remove this 17 bolt right here. We're going to make sure the bolt, washer, and nut are in there. You want to put it on the shorter side. This side's just slightly longer. And the bend, as you can see, going to bend back towards that, so it comes out at this angle, and it comes up and it bolts all up just like that. So you want to hand tighten the bolt in there, get it started, and then take your ratchet and tighten it the rest of the way. Then we're going to start on the other side and tighten that as well, and then use your ratchet to finish it. For the 17 millimeter bolts, you're going to want to torque those down to 47 foot-pounds, and then for the new hardware that we installed back there, you're going to want to do about 30 foot-pounds. So now you will have to take a screwdriver and bend this bracket back out of the way. As you can see, it's pretty tight up against this bar. I tried bending it this way and it wasn't enough room for this bar to go across, so I had to bend it back that way in order to get it to clear this bar. And again, you just want to repeat. One thing different is this is actually the longer side of the ends and this is the shorter side. So you will actually kind of reverse this from the opposite side where you did the shorter side with the new hardware.
Alright, we're hot.
I'm too squished.